I absolutely love this bag. It's super lightweight because it's vegan leather and very, very soft. I'm gonna go into the pros and cons so you can see if this will be enough for you instead of getting the Bottega Veneta bag, which is the cutest thing. It looks like a dumpling and I just love dumplings.
Things got so complicated.
This is very much like the Bottega Veneta pouch bag, which I'm in love with. So I got my fix of this type of a bag. Now there's a couple of differences between obviously the Bottega Veneta. This is Rebecca Minkoff vegan leather and it does not have the magnetic closure. So it is a zip closure. So this does look like a dumpling. I first ordered it's not platinum, but it's the other metal, and we got it in and my husband was like, oh my gosh, it looks like an armadillo, which it did because it had that, what was the name? Oh, it was gunmetal. We laughed so hard. So this is in the cool tan. I think it's absolutely beautiful and it feels so soft and gushy, just like a dumpling. It has a cute bohemian tassel, as her bags usually do. We'll go ahead and get right into it. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and always hit that notification bell so you know when we uploaded my next video. What'd you say? Oh, so always subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I've uploaded my next video. This is the Rebecca Minkoff Ruched clutch, and it is 11 inches in length, 4 inches in depth, and 7 inches in height. It holds quite a lot. One of the pros is that it's just soft. It's super soft and the capacity is really good. The con is that whenever you open the bag, you're going to have this. So she's left enough depth that things don't fall out, but first of all, I wouldn't use this as a day bag. It would be a date bag because I put my everyday things in here, and I'll show you in a little bit what I put in here. And if you're in a hurry, you're going to, let's say, buy something and then have to hold it and then put it back in and then hold it and then zip it back up. There is no way that you can walk out of the store just with this unless you feel pretty secure in it. Second con is that it will feel heavy. I'm used to having everything on my shoulders, so if you have this, you're going to always have it handheld, which is a really cute look because it is supposed to be a clutch. So you just hold it like this. I just think it's really, really pretty. And that is the look of the clutch, and it even looks cute on the hand like this. It just gives me enough of a fix that I don't have to get the Bottega Veneta bag. The Bottega Veneta pouch is just so cute. It comes in a mini size and a large size. And this is like an in-between. So it's just right. It holds full-size Clement's wallet from Louis Vuitton. It also holds my key holder, 6-ring key holder, and whatever else you want in here. I've actually been able to hold my cell phone charger in here as well. It's fabric lined. It has an inner pocket, and the inner pocket goes to about here to here. It's not the entire length, and it's about here. So it doesn't go the entire way down, and things do stay in here okay, but like I said, I wouldn't use it as an everyday bag because you're going to always need to close it, and there's no magnetic closure. It's just the zipper. So that's probably the biggest con, is I wish it had that big magnetic zipper like the Bottega Veneta bag. So just from She's the Posh, it does not have the magical magnetic closures that we love. Obviously it fits a cell phone in here too. It has a really good capacity. So that's a very big pro. And it doesn't look lumpy whenever you load it up. It's just really pretty. Chloe would like this, but the tassels of her tassels are always really good tassels. Look at the details on the Rebecca Minkoff tassels. And then rolled that way, and then down you go. This is how the bottom looks. So front and back look the same. I just think it's a really, really pretty bag. I love it. So I'm not going to use this as an everyday bag, but definitely as a going out date bag. I think it would be comfortable if I just had a few things in here, and then whenever you hold it, it's not so heavy. But otherwise, it's got a really good frame on it, so it's really easy to hold. It's got kind of boning right through here, so it's really easy to hang on to. and it's just a really pretty look. So I'll put everything back in here. And that is about it. If you have questions about the bag, please let me know in the comments below. For $98, it is a really, really good purchase. And I will see you again in my next video.
I believe